I just want to show you the UGREEN connection that I purchased. Right now I'm controlling my other computer in the other room, and I'm able to use my keyboard and mouse, such as this. Now, my other computer is hooked up through DisplayPort. So if I want to use this computer, I just change my to HDMI, which brings up my desktop, but I can't control the mouse until I use this, and then my keyboard and mouse up here. So it switches them from one computer to the other. So I'm able to utilize both computers without having to change anything besides just clicking a switch. Very easy to set up. There's just two inputs from each computer in the back, and there's a power wire. And these are my USB controls to my mouse and for my keyboard and whatever else you want to put in there. Works very, very, very well. So highly recommend it.